Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your saved data on your Nintendo Switch. So maybe you want to go ahead and maybe start a game over, so it's the refreshed version of the single player or something like that. For whatever reason, we can go to System Settings and go on down and go to Data Management, go to the right, scroll on down under here, go to Delete Saved Data right here and choose this. And then you can choose the game. So let's go to maybe like Eternal, whatever that game is. And then we can go to delete all saved data from this software. Or we can just go to one user. So I'm just going to go to Timmy on the top. Just delete my saved data here. It says caution, delete saved data cannot be recovered. Okay, delete saved data. Successful. So maybe you want to go ahead and just start over in the single player game. Deleting saved data will allow you to go ahead and do that. If you do have like a membership to the cloud, you can always go to like save data from the cloud and you can re-download it at some point in time, but this does require a membership to Nintendo Online. That's like $3 or $4 a month. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.